So I've been mucking around here and doing this and that, writing little bits of code. So rather than just to say, oh, making you watch me write code, I thought what I would do is show you some of the silly stuff I've been doing, and then you can do some of it as you feel the need. So let's look at some examples. These ones we already know about. Spawning cows, using a loop, spawning a squid, and killing those cows by using a selector to select all the mushroom cows. Yeah, we know all of that. Let's look at the next one, actual rain, gameplay.toggle downfall. I just went into gameplay and looked at some of the options that were here. Seems like kind of a fun one. And you can see down here I've got rain, actual rain. Let's just see if that works. Rain, wasn't it? Rain. Yeah. Bit gloomy, but it's a toggle, so it kind of toggles it on and off. So if I type in rain again, just wait for a moment while the sky's clear. That's lovely. There we go. So that was an easy one. Now let's look at what else we've got in here. So I've got a circle. So I found might have been in the builder or blocks. I think it was possibly the builder. Somewhere in here might have been, or somewhere else you can find it, I'm sure. There's the option of making a circle. So if I make a circle, yeah, I think it built it over the top of me. I should have been more careful, shouldn't I? There is the circle. It's actually, I think it's built it like centered on my position, so half of it is underground. But yeah, it made a circle just like that, and that's nice. What else did I do? Summon. So you can summon, of course, all kinds of people. So here I've done a summon anyone who's in game mode survival. I do have someone else on this server with me. I shall bring them to me. Or of course you can select all mushroom cows or this kind of thing or whatever. And I think I'll do that in a minute. But let's just summon that other person. Talk. Summon. Maybe they're offline, or maybe they're too far away. Was that them over there? No, that's not them. Let's try that one more time. It does work. Yeah, because I've kind of come off to a fresh piece of grass over here to muck around, so that might be why. We'll be doing some more summoning in a second, so hopefully that'll work. It might not. Because I've got a cat hell and a catenate. Now, I've got a bunch of cats elsewhere on this server, but I might have moved too far away from them. Let's just see what happens if I call them up. Catenate. Yep, there's all those cats. Now they have all been given speed, which is why they're doing this. Again, I was just hunting through the blocks to see what was available. I think they got 10 seconds worth of speed. That's a lot of cats. That's quite nice. We like cats. Let's just have a quick look at what that happened there. Yeah, so mobs.teleport to position, same as with the players, but I'm not sure why that didn't work. Probably just too far away. Mob entities by cat and position 000. Of course, that's my position, not the world position, so they all came to me. And then I applied an effect of speed to all of the mob entities by type cat. And I can spawn some more cats if I want. Shall I do that? Why not? What was it? Cats? Or was it cat? Cats? Can't remember. Let's go and have a look. I said cats. Cat hell. Cause cats. I don't see many more cats spawning. Let's try that one more time. I do find that it can be a little bit picky. Sometimes it feels like working, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, I need to kind of get to the bottom of why that is the case. Now that feels like we've got a cat rain going on. Yeah. Just while we watch those cats falling in the background. You notice what I've done here. When I did the cat hell, I specified a position, and instead of just saying 000 or 050 or whatever, so it's just above me, I said choose a random number for the first coordinate, the x coordinate, between 0 and 10, and a random number between 0 and 10 for the y coordinate, and a random number between 0 and 10 for the z coordinate. So you can see they're in the same position as 000, So position, but they're random numbers. So that's kind of makes it a little bit more interesting that they just kind of spawned in a cube over there. We do have a lot of cats now. And the last thing I wanted to mention in this video was the agent. Now the agent's kind of an interesting thing. The agent you use to do stuff for you. So I have, and he's kind of, you probably have spotted him anyway. He's in Education Edition, he just kind of turns up. I have made this function called exercise agent, which firstly makes him teleport to me, and then I've got a loop. So he does this 100 times, and I make him turn left and move forward 5 blocks, and then he goes back and he does it again. Turns left and moves forward. Turns left and moves forward. So what did I do? Dance, I called it. I don't know. Dance. See a bit? There he is. There's a little agent. Nice. So here we are. This was such a peaceful little place a moment ago, and now it's full of cats. We should just make them all go really fast as well. One more time. Crazy. Anyway, there you go. So that's a few little things that you might find useful if you're just trying to do entertaining stuff in Minecraft. Next video we'll probably be doing stuff with blocks a bit more, I think.